here I have VIVO IQOO U3, and today I'm going to show you how to clear credentials from this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the security section, then go to the encryption and credentials and select the last option, clear credentials, and tap OK, and after that credential storage will be erased. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.